Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy day. The day started off strong. Price went all the way up there and then ultimately pulled back and closed right there. However, even with the pullback, the bulls had a nice little recovery in there because at one point the price was actually all the way down as low as that area right there. However, as I pointed out, by the time the closing bell came around, the price did manage to bounce back up and close right there. So disappointing in the sense of, yeah, it didn't maintain those early day gains, but positive in the sense of, well, hey, at least it didn't keep falling apart like it was during this section of the chart right here. Because, I mean, the price very well could have just kept on bleeding and bleeding and bleeding and be down around here, but it did recover and bounce back upwards. So at the end of the day, when all the dust had settled, actually a pretty neutral movement. I mean, when you consider just where the price has been, so you look through kind of just the past range, and you can see that the price is still right inside that range. So a temporary breakout, which turned out to be a fake breakout. But I guess my point here that hopefully I've conveyed is, yeah, annoying that this was a fake breakout and fell back inside of the channel, but at least it's still inside of the channel and, not somewhere down around that area right there. So as far as levels of support and such are concerned going forward, easiest way to kind of visualize supports, I think, is to use this trend line right there. You can see that over the past several days, there's been several occasions where whenever the price gets right around this trend line, it has done a great job of holding strong. So going forward, I would definitely call that the key level of support, because any sort of breaks below that trend line, or worse yet, if the price were to start to separate to the downside of it, then yeah, that's really, starting to show that the bears are gaining control and the bulls are losing control. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about this pink line right here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. And after the price broke above it and then fell back below it, you can see several times the bulls try to get back up above it, but just couldn't quite do it. So that's certainly going to be the key level of resistance going into tomorrow. So all in all, yeah, a disappointing day, but a nice recovery. So we'll see if the bulls can make another run back up at those highs or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.